August 2nd, 5:30 a.m. As you can see, Ruby's doing great. She and Loki every morning as early as this start playing as Daisy just observes. Look at those two. Now watch. There she goes, Watch Ruby does the attack. Man, every time I start the video, they stop doing it. You see right here? Can you see that little wire going up and down? We have to put exercise pan here. You get better look right there. Wrap it all around the bed. Because Ruby's so small, she can crawl underneath that space. And the last thing we want is for her to go back under our bed. Oh, here's Ruby's favorite pastime. Right there. Chewing on Loki's tail. Oh, by the way, she's now 2.5 pounds. But she'll chew on his tail while he's chewing her bone. Now watch, here goes the arguing. Watch. That's what they do all day long. See, she likes playing like that. Yep, so everybody's been asking. Ruby is A-OK.